Today we're going to test the range of the Ruko U11mini4K, so let's get cracking.
Alright, so we got the Ruko U11 Mini with the awesome RC3 controller. I love the built-in display. It powers on really zippy, able to connect to the drone, and you'll be flying probably faster than any other drone you've got. As you can see, we're already clicking go fly. Batteries are charged up. Calibration is good. Making sure I've got a full connection and enough satellites. And it's time to fly. Right here is where we hit our max distance of about 720 meters. Now it'll fly further, but I just didn't want to take it too much further out over Lake Michigan.
Alright, so as I wrap up, I am loving the Ruko U11 Mini and the RC3 controller. They are super smooth together, it flies well, I love the video footage, and it's so tiny that you don't have to register it with the FAA. I want to thank Freedomist Man for asking for this video. He's been asking for a while, and I finally had a moment to actually record some footage. Super fun to be able to pop it up, take it out to the lake, and get all that awesome footage. Of course, I would love to hear your feedback in the comments down below. I do want to quickly say thank you to everybody that supports me via YouTube memberships. Don't forget there are 3 different levels of support starting as low as $5 a month. With any level of support, you get early access to videos. Make sure you also pay attention to those members only posts. A massive shout out as well to everybody that supports me via Patreon. Love how that group is growing. We're past 500 members. It has a fantastic messaging area where you can ask questions, post designs, gain skills. Of course, you can learn more with the bit.ly up above or the link in the description. Finally, friends, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget every time you like, hype, share a video, add a comment down below, or click subscribe, you're helping HLModTech get just a little bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day, and keep tinkering.